Hey guys, this is MeitY and you are watching Mania, and in today's video I will be showing you that how you can download and use the Corona Kavach application which has recently been launched by the Indian government. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell notification icon. Now that you have done that, let's get started. So this app is only available for Android devices in beta version, and you can download this application from the link given below in the description section, or you can search it on the Play Store. So opening up the application, you will see this. So you can either click on next or you can skip this information. So basically this application tracks your location through GPS and it checks whether your location matches with the location of someone who is already suffering with this virus. So now you need to click on register. So you need to register your phone number and your location to use this application. So now you need to click on get started. You need to allow location access and your contact details. After this, you need to enter your mobile number and click on get OTP. It may take some time, so you should have to wait for a while. Now you need to turn on the location on your device. The application gives indications through color. Green means you are all good, brown means you should consult a doctor, yellow means you should quarantine yourself, and red means you are infected. Now you are all set. You will get a notification on the top, and as you can see, when you will click on option, you can start breathing exercises, you can do questionnaire, and you can log out. So in breathing exercises, you can inhale, exhale, and you can check your report. Now in questionnaire, you have to answer some question like your body temperature, and now you need to submit this application. So this is how the application works, but I'll recommend you not to rely on this application because it is still in its beta version. Even if you get yellow or red color indication, you should not panic. Instead, you should check out the website covid19india.org, or you should consult a doctor. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching, and also stay home and stay safe.